So, hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 19 till the 25th of January 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So, let's start. Let's see, Taurus, your current energies regarding your love and relationship area. Let's see what's happening. Current energies regarding love and relationship area. We have the Tower, the Five of Pentacles, Hanged Man, bottom of the deck is the Queen of Pentacles. So some kind of realization is hitting you very hard, like hitting you like a brick. It was like as if you were sleeping and now you're waking up to some kind of reality that is making you realize why you were feeling the way you were feeling, and now you are able to see things from a totally different perspective. Your perspective regarding a particular situation or person, or maybe regarding your love and relationship area, is going to permanently shift from this point onwards. Something is happening. It's like universe slapping on your face big time and making you realize something that maybe you were not able to see, or you were continuously repeating again and again and again. Now you guys are going to be more in the surrender mode. Surrender, forget about the surrender. It's like your identity is going to shift from this point onwards, and your vision regarding love and relationship, bottom of the deck is a Queen of Pentacles. It's all happening internally. From the outside point, if the outside world is going to see you, you are going to look more mature, more aged maybe, and you are going to make other people feel like you have learned a lot about this shit in your life, that nothing can beat you anymore. Wow, what's happening? Cool. This is scary. I mean, I don't know. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Taurus. Taurus, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Yeah, Taurus. Six of Swords. Somebody is trying to move on towards calmer water. Maybe somebody tried their best to find peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation. Now they're feeling like, okay, cut this crap, I have to move on. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify the Six of Swords here. Wow. So we have the Nine of Cups, Ace of Wands, and the Ten of Cups. Wow. So, Taurus, somebody here is feeling that they tried their best here in the situation. Now they feel like they also deserve happiness. And they feel like having a brand new beginning in their life that is going to lead to the ultimate happiness that they always wanted with you. And now this person is feeling like they should keep moving ahead towards calmer water, finding their own happiness with something else or someone else, because now they can't do anything in the situation anymore. Bottom of the deck is a Knight of Cups. This person still have emotions, they still care for you, they still want to be with you, but whatever happened between you guys or whatever is happening is kind of pushing this person to keep moving forward. For most of you, this person feels like moving ahead towards something new, someone new. For some of you, this person is feeling like right now, for the time being, detachment is the solution, and they will try later on to reconnect and start or restart this chapter with you. Wow. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular? You are basically pushing someone away to the level of them trying to find out their happiness somewhere else with something else. I don't know. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? The fool card. So from your side, you feel like a fool right now, to be honest with you. A fool who is having a breakthrough, who feels like breaking free from these chains of love and relationship and all that, and taking the leap of faith with the universe. What's happening? You feel like claiming your independence and just, you know, trusting the divine. I'm sorry, I forgot. The hanged man, the high priestess, and the queen of pentacles. Ooh. So, Taurus, it's like your vision, your perception regarding love and relationship has changed to that level that you're feeling you're enough for yourself and you don't need anyone by your side in your life. For some of you, you are all maybe planning to, renunciate or, leave this world behind, worldly world behind, and just be with yourself. Do your own thing, live in your freedom, live in your peace. What is happening, Taurus? For others of you who are not in the renunciation path, obviously not all of us are on that path. You guys are feeling like for the timing you're enough and you should work on yourself. And whenever you are supposed to meet someone, you will. And if not, you're okay. Wow, what is happening? Amala. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Four of Pentacles. They want to hold on to this situation, this bond, this connection for dear life. They're like, I'm never letting go of Taurus out of my system. Physically, they might be like 1,000 miles away from you. Internally, they're holding on to you for dear life. You're important. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles here. We have the Seven of Pentacles, Two of Cups, and the Fool card. This person wants to, okay, this person wants to very patiently wait for the time when they will be able to do something about the situation between you and them, and you guys are going to have another shot. So this person wants to take the risk of waiting for the situation to go somewhere at some point of time because they still love you. They still want to hold on to this hope or expectation that maybe at some point of time we guys are going to be together again and we guys are going to start or restart from the start. So they want to take the risk of still holding on to this connection and hoping for the best kind of outcome in the coming future. You are pushing somebody away too hard. If not a person, the idea of being with anyone romantically, that even if the universe is sending you someone, you are pushing their energy away. You're like, no, right now, universe. I just got my truth. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Queen of Pentacles. From your side, you just want to do your own thing. You're not giving me much today. You're like, I just want to do my own thing. I just want to live in my own cave, cooking my own food, and, just chilling. The Taurus kind of chilling. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles here, honey. We have the Devil, the Three of Cups, the Page of Pentacles. What? Taurus, you're like, I have some kind of specific person or specific kind of person in my life, in my mind, that I want to be with. I want to have a brand new beginning in that direction. I want to have a start or restart in that direction. Otherwise, I'm just doing my own thing. I don't care anymore. And you are so set with the idea of being with a specific person or specific kind of person or maybe specific group of people kind of situation, you are denying anything else or anyone else. You're like, no, 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 I know what I want. And it's Taurus stubbornness at its peak. I know what I want, and I want it exactly the way I want it. Until you don't tell me shit. You know, this is my life, and I know what I want, and I just want it like the way I want it. That's it. It's like a order of coffee or something. This much milk, this much sugar, no sugar maybe. Okay, warm, cold. I don't know what is happening. It's your coffee, right? I don't even like coffee. I like tea. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 25th of January, Taurus. Eight of Pentacles. It's like you putting in the effort and energy very, very consciously in things, people, or situations where you are going to be very sure that this is going to give you something good in return. Mostly directed towards money, job, career, finances, and stability. Okay, let's clarify this Eight of Pentacles here as a potential outcome for you guys, Taurus. We have the King of Cups, Four of Cups, and the Seven of Wands. Yes, you are working on it. You're telling me with this newfound information, with this newfound awakening, I'm working on, you know, my emotional maturity, Anjali. I'm working on my emotional maturity. I don't want to allow those people, situations, or things where I know I'm going to get disappointment of any kind, whether it's romantic or otherwise. And I have to learn to create stronger boundaries. I have to learn to create a bubble of energy around me where I am not going to allow anything or anyone to hurt me or abuse me or abuse me in any way. So you are going to learn the art of detachment and learn the art of emotional maturity and how to handle things, how to handle things, people, situations, and relationships on a deeper level. And you're going to make sure you are going to learn it properly this time. Like you're consciously choosing to learn it. Okay? This is a life changing week for you guys, and tremendously life changing. A lot is going to shift from this point onwards. Physically, I don't know how it is going to change your looks or the way you are going to behave or something in like your outer world in your physical body and physical energies are also going to shift the moment the moment this internal shift is going to happen. And it's like you are going to be more mature, more grounded, and somehow more aging. Even if you're 19 years old, doesn't matter, people will notice that something in you is shifting and you are becoming older and wiser and ancient or something. I don't know, that's strange. This is a strange reading today. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Taurus. We have the Five of Cups and the Three of Wands and the Knight of Cups. Yes, the guidance here is don't be so hard on yourself. You're being very hard on yourself as a strict teacher or principal of the school, right? You're not allowed to feel hurt, you're not allowed to feel any much pain, any more pain in your life. All you are allowed to do right now is to keep moving ahead and connect with only those people, situations, or things that are going to give you a lot of love. Even if your heart is completely blocked, even if you don't have the capacity to give love or give energy to anything or anyone from your side, it's not going to work out. You are going to fail and you are going to fail terribly. Don't punish yourself by putting so many restrictions or so many, conclusions to this awakening, because this awakening is here to change your perception, not to close your heart, not to block your heart, right? So keep your heart open, integrate those changes, this newfound information, this newfound awakening in your life in a positive way. Don't make it look like a punishment. It's a blessing actually. If you want love, any kind of love, if you want love, if you want peace, if you want happiness, prosperity, you have to become that vibration. You have to become that energy so that you can attract it towards you naturally and organically. But you are somehow doing it in a way that is It is going to make you feel like you're punishing yourself for doing certain things that you should not be doing, or blah blah blah. Stop this nonsense, Taurus. Immediately. Cool. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular area of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind. If it does, good. If it doesn't, leave this portion. Okay, so I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds. And your time starts now. So the answer to your question is no. It's a full-fledged no. It's a no. I don't have to say anything more about it. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.